Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ICSE Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss Class 10 M.L.aggarwal Chapter 8 Matrices Exercise 8.3 question number 30 to 35. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. Solve exercise 8.3 question number 30. Here let M cross multiplied by this matrix is equal to 1 2, where M is a matrix. We have to firstly state this matrix order of M. As we know, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix and this is a 1 cross 2 matrix. Hence we can see, for first to state the order of matrix M, we can let the order here as M cross N. So that order will be A comma M cross N, M cross N we can put it. So if we have put it as M cross N, then this is the order, and if multiplied by the order of matrix, this is the order of matrix M and this is of matrix A, which is of order 2 cross 2, and the third matrix B is of order 1 cross 2. And as we know, the number of rows in the first column, the number of columns in the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix should be equal. So by comparing, these two should be equal according to multiplication rule. So here N will be 2, from there comparing the first part. So this is the first part we are getting. Now the second part, M, we have to find. And as we know, when two matrices are multiplied, the matrix obtained will be the order of the number of rows of first matrix and the number of column of the second matrix, that is 1 cross 2 here. 2 of the column of matrix A and M will be of rows of matrix M. So here we can write, by comparing, M is equal to 2. Hence this is the answer of question number 30, first part. Now if we solve the second part, we have to find the matrix M. As this is here, M is 1 here, because the value of M on comparing we are getting 1. So M is 1 and N is 2. As we got a matrix of row 1 and column 2, we can put A, B as the matrix M multiplied by 1, 1, 0, 2, that is equal to 1, 2. So simply multiplied by these matrix, we will get A plus 0 equal to 1, again A plus 2B equal to 2. So if we put A is equal to 1 in this question, that will become 2B is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, and B is equal to 1 by 2 in this question. Hence finally we obtained A is equal to 1 and B is 1 by 2 is the final answer of this question, and this is the solution of question number 30, first and second part. Solve question number 31 here. Given value of matrix is this and we have the second matrix X multiplied by, we will get 7 and 6 matrix here. So we have to find the order of the matrix X, which we have to find simply if the first matrix is A, its order is given to us, that is 2 cross 2. Number of rows is 2 and number of column is 2. And if we write matrix X, let it be M cross M comma N order, and the matrix obtained, that is B, is of order 2 comma 1. So simply we know number of columns of A should be equal to number of rows of X. Hence M is equal to 2 from there. This is the first part. Now comparing this part, we know on multiplication of two matrices, the matrix obtained is the order of number of rows of the first matrix and number of column of the second matrix. Hence on comparing the number of column with the same number of column, we have N is equal to 1 in this question. This is the second part we are getting. Hence the order of matrix, from there we can write order of matrix X, that is we have let M comma N is equal to 2 comma 1 is the final answer of this question here. If we solve the second part, this is the first part and this is the second part, the matrix X. So if we write X, that is of order 2 cross 1, so here 2, 1, minus 3, 1, 4. So 2 cross 1 will become 2 rows and 1 column AB, that is equal to 7, 6. Making equations, we will get here 2A plus B equal to 7 minus 3A plus 4B equal to 6. Simply on solving now, firstly we will multiply here with 4 and here if we multiply, we will multiply it by 1 only. So this will become 8a plus 4b equal to 28. Here it will become minus 3 plus 4b equal to 6. Subtracting both equation first and second, here we will get the value of a and b. Subtracting first and second, we will get, this will be cancel out. Here it will become 8a minus 3a, 8a plus 3a will become as 11a equal to 28 minus 6 will be 22, and from here a is equal to 2. If we want to find the value of b, that will become 2a plus b is equal to 7 here. So from that b is equal to 7 minus 2a, putting the value of a, 7 minus 2 into 2. So 7 minus 4 will be 3, means the value of b is 3. Hence a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3, means the matrix X is equal to 2 and 3. And this is the final solution of question number 31, first and second part. Firstly, we have to find the order. We have found it, and that matrix X also we have found it in this question. Let us solve question number 32. We have to solve the matrix equation here given to us. So here we have to find the value of matrix X, and as we know, we will find the values here. First, matrix A is of order, we know 1, 2, 1, means 2 row and 1 column. Like that, matrix M, let it as M, N, and the matrix B, which is obtained on multiplying it, is of 2, 2. And we know simply by comparing that in multiplication, number of columns should be equal to number of row of the second matrix, that is M is equal to 1, and N and the number of column of that matrix should be equal to the number of column of the matrix obtained by multiplying. Hence that will become 2. So N is equal to 2, means X M comma N is of the order of, the matrix is of order 1, 2. So we can write matrix X as row 1 and column 2, means AB is the matrix here. So we can write here 4, 1 multiplied by matrix AB, that is equal to, and by forming equations now we can solve and find the value of AB. So here this will become 4a plus b. 4a plus b is equal to, sorry, here this will become as 4a. 4a is equal to minus 4, and like that only if we do, it will become 4b is equal to 8, and here it will become a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 1. So comparing here also we are getting a is equal to b. From here if we solve, that will become minus 1, and here on solving that will become 2. B is equal to 2 and a is equal to minus 1. So if we solve these parts and solving this, we will get 4b. Here it is 4b and this is 1a, 1b. Cancelling, that will become 2. And b is 2 only, because on multiplying this with b it will become 2. Hence a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 2. So the matrix X will become minus 1 and 2 in this question. And this is only the final answer of this question which we have to find. The matrix X only we have to find, and this is the matrix X we have found it in this question. Now let us solve question number 33. If matrix A is this and matrix B is this, then we have to find the matrix C such that AC is equal to B. So here the matrix A is given to us of order 2 cross 2. Matrix C we have to find the order also and the matrix C also. Matrix B is of order 2 cross 1, means 2 row and 1 column. So from there we can write this should be M should be equal to 2 and N should be equal to 1, means C M comma N is equal to of order 2 comma 1. So similarly, if this is of order 2 comma 1, matrix C will become row is 2 and column is 1. Hence AB is the matrix in this question. Now putting A 2 minus 1 minus 4 5 multiplied by matrix AB, that is equal to minus 3 2 here. So simply 2a minus b is equal to minus 3 and minus 4a plus 5b is equal to 2. If we want to solve this, we can simply multiply it with the first equation with 2 and this with 1 only. So we will get multiplying these equations by 2 and 1. We will get 4a minus 2b equal to minus 6 and here minus 4a plus 5b equal to 2. So solving this part, so adding these equations, this will be cancelled out. Here we will get 5b minus 2b as 3b equal to 2 minus 6 as minus 4 and b is equal to minus 4 by 3. From there we got. Again, if you want to find the value of a, putting the value of b, we can find 2a is equal to minus 3 plus so minus 4 by 3 and this will become minus 9 minus 4 divided by 3 2a. So 2a will become minus 13 divided by 3 where a is equal to minus 13 divided by 3 into 1 by 2. So simply a will be minus 13 by 6. So A is this and B is this. So the matrix C we can write it as minus 13 by 6 and minus 4 by 6 is the value of matrix C in this question, and this is the solution of question number 33 first part. Now let us solve question number 33 second part. If matrix A is this and matrix B is this, find a matrix C such that C into A is equal to B. So if we want to find the value of C, this should be m cross n, let it as m cross n order, and A is of order 2 cross 2 and the obtained matrix B is of order 2 1 comma 2 1 cross 2 means for one row and two column. Simply if we see n is equal to 2 means number of columns should be equal to number of rows, and if we see this m cross 2 means the matrix order of CA m cross 2, number of column of A and number of rows of m cross 2 will equal to 1 comma 2. So simply m is equal to 1. From there we can write by comparing. Hence matrix C is of order m cross m comma n is of order 1 comma 2. So matrix C will become one row and two column, that is AB is the matrix here, multiplied by AB multiplied by matrix 2 minus 4 minus 1 5 is equal to 0 minus 3. So simply multiplying we will get 2a minus 4b is equal to 0. Again minus a plus 5b equal to minus 3. So from that we will get multiplying, we can multiply this with 2 and this with 1 only. So here this will become 2a minus 4b equal to 0 and this will be minus 2a plus 10b equal to minus 6. This will be cancelled out. Here we will get 6b equal to minus 6, b is equal to minus 1, and finding the value of a, 2a is equal to 4b here. So putting the value of b, we will get 2a equal to minus 4 and a is equal to minus 2 from there. So the value of a and b here, the matrix C we can write minus 2 and minus 1 is the matrix C obtained from here, and this is only the answer which we have to find in question number 33 second part. Matrix C is only we have to find in this question. Now let us solve question number 34. If matrix A is this given to us, we have to find matrix B here such that B multiplied by A is equal to I, which is a unity matrix of order 2. So where B is matrix of order m cross n, A is matrix of order 2 cross 2 and I is matrix of order 2 cross 2 only given to us of order 2. And we know I is only a square matrix, hence order will be same. Similarly, we are comparing these values, n is equal to 2 we will find, and m cross 2 will be 2 cross 2, hence m is equal to also 2. Means matrix B is of order 2 cross 2. Means number of rows is 2 and number of column is 2. Matrix B we can write it as A, B, C, D. So B multiplied by A, that is A, B, C, D multiplied by matrix 3 minus 4 minus 1 2, that is equal to unity matrix 1 0 0 1. Similarly, this will be uh, 3a minus b equal to 1, and this will be minus 4a plus 2b equal to 0. Again here also 3c minus d equal to 0 and minus 4c plus 2d equal to 1. So simply here we can get, multiplying this matrix with 2 and this with 1, we will get 6a minus 2b equal to 2 minus 4a plus 2b equal to 0. This will be cancel out, 6a minus 4a, 2a equal to 2 means a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1, and if we solve this part here, this will be multiplied by 1 and this will be multiplied 2, will become 6c minus 2d equal to 0, and this is minus 4c plus 2d equal to 1. This will be cancel out, 6c minus 4c, 2 equal to 1 here. So c is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can find the value of b and d here. So b is 3a minus b equal to 1. So for finding b, that will become minus b equal to 1 minus 3a. 1 minus 3a will become 1 minus 3, and putting the value of a, that is equal to minus b. So minus b is equal to minus 2, from where b is equal to 2. If we write the value of d, so 3c minus d is equal to 0. Hence minus d is equal to minus 3, where minus minus will be cancelled out. Putting value of c here, that is d is equal to 3 by 2. Hence, the matrix B, which is of order 2, comma 2, 2 cross 2, that is A, B, C, D, we can write it as, that is equal to A is 1, B is 2, by calculating C is 1 by 2 and D is 3 by 2 in this question. Hence, this is the final solution of question number 34. The matrix B only we have to find in this question. Now let us solve question number 35. Given matrix is this, multiplied by matrix M is equal to 6i, where M is a matrix and I is a unit matrix of order 2 cross 2. Then firstly we have to find the order of matrix M. So here matrix A is 2 cross 2. Matrix M we have to find, that is, let it as M cross N. And matrix B, which we got, that is 6i, is of order 2 cross 2 given only. So by comparing, this should be equal, M is equal to 2, N will become equal to 2, because number of rows of A and number of column of M will be equal to the number of rows and column of B. So hence N is equal to 2. Means matrix M is of order M comma N, that is of order 2 comma 2. Hence the second part we can just let M be 2 cross 2 matrix A B C D, let it here. Simply putting the values here, this will become 4, 2, minus 1, 1 multiplied by matrix A, B, C, D, that is equal to matrix 6i, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. Similarly, making these equations here, that will become 4a plus 2c equal to 6, and here this will become minus a plus c is equal to 0, and here again if we write this part, that will become 4b plus 2d equal to 0, and minus b plus d equal to 1. Multiplying this with 4 and this with 4, again we will get 4a plus 2c equal to 6 minus 4a plus 4c equal to 0, and here 4b plus 2d equal to 0 minus 4b plus 4d equal to 4. This will be cancelled out, 6 equal to 6 means c is equal to 1, and again here also this will be cancelled out, 6d is equal to, here sorry, this is 6 here, so 6 into 4 will become uh, 24. So 24 we will get here, 6d plus 24, and d is equal to 4. Hence if d is equal to 24 and c is equal to 1, we can find the value of a and d here, a and b. So minus a plus c is equal to 0 by this equation given to us. So putting the value of c, minus a will become as minus 1 here, minus minus will be cancelled out, a is equal to 1. If we find the value of b, this will become minus b plus d is equal to 6. So d will minus b plus 4 equal to 6, and minus b is equal to 6 minus 4, minus b is equal to 2, and b is equal to minus 2. So if we write the matrix M here of order 2 cross 2, A is 1, putting the value of ABC in this matrix here, A is 1, B is minus 2, and C is 1, again D is 4. So this is the final answer of this question which we have to find. Matrix M only we have to find, and this is the solution of question number 35. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.